So in this training, I want to share with you how you can develop a website. But before we start, there are some things you need to know, the basic things you need to know when it comes to designing or developing a website. So this module will focus on those basic things which you need to know before you even think of developing a website. So the question is, what is a website? What is a website? A simple definition of a website is a site on the web. A location, a site when it comes to construction, it means a location. So if you combine a location with web mean global, that is just like a spider web. There's a point from one point to the other and it's global. If you check a spider web, it's it connects one point to the other. So combining that definition together, you can say a location on the web, which means someone can be in Nigeria and be able to access information in UK. Somebody can be in Ghana and be able to access information in Brazil, because the web has made it possible. There is a location on the web. I hope that is quite simple to understand. Then to take it further, what is a domain name? Before you think of doing a website, you need a name. That's what we have things like .com, that is google.com is a domain name. We have yahoo.com is a domain name. So a domain name is a unique name on the internet. A unique name on the internet. That is what makes it a domain name. And we have different type of domain name, or what we call extensions. We have .com, we have .co.uk, we have .org, we have several extensions. But based on the popular demand, people most time prefer .com. They like .com because I think that was the first one that comes out before other extensions started coming out. So people go for .com, we have .org, we have .net. So depending on your project, you can decide which of the extension you want to go for. Then hosting. When it comes to hosting a website, hosting simply means a space where you're going to keep all your files, all the files which you're going to design, your development, the picture, the video, the audio, all of these things will be in a space. That space is what we call hosting. Call it web hosting. I hope that is quite understandable. Then the next one is the content or the design. For you to when you get the domain name and it's pointed to an hosting, that is just like you having office space, a business name, and they will ask you what is your office space, what is your address. That address is your office space. Then the content is all your design, your videos, your image, your text, all that make your content, all the beautiful design you see, what you see physically, are your content. So in this training we will focus basically on using WordPress to design our content. We focus more using WordPress to design our content. So these are the basic things you need to know, and that is what we're going to cover in this training. It will be all about WordPress, and the next module I'm going to share with you what is actually WordPress, so that we can proceed from that. I hope this was useful to you.